So one of the most important things you can do on your FitBUX profile is to make sure that your accounts are up to date in terms of the balances and which ones you have. So making sure you have your bank accounts, your credit card accounts, your student loan accounts, everything updated on your profile. It's important for a number of reasons. First of all, you want to make sure that this is all up to date before you build your first financial plan. So that way everything is flowing through correctly and being projected correctly. Once you implement your plan, you also want to keep it updated because our recommendations and our AI will continue to give you more and more detailed feedback based on the information. Okay, so you want to be able to make sure that these balances are updated. The more frequently you update them, the better feedback you're going to get, specifically down here in these action items. So how do we update it? First and foremost, you go over here to my profile and you click accounts. We have two different ways for you to update your balances. The first way would be to come here to add manual accounts, and you would just come in here, say you want to add a bank account. You would just say cash account, because that's what we use for cash, checking, savings, money market accounts. You put in the name of the financial institution, maybe it's Wells Fargo, and you can name it if you want to. You can say my Wells Fargo savings account, my Wells Fargo checking account, whatever that may be. And then you can come in here and you can put balance, and then you can click save. So when you're done, it would show up right here. So you can see on this demo account, I have one bank account and I have a student loan account. And if I want to edit this, all I have to do is go and click edit, change the balance. If I want to see some of my debts with my student loans, I can come in here. I can see what debts I have, what interest rates, and I can edit these or add loans to this as well. So that's the first way, is to do it manually. The second way is to link your accounts. Now, the benefit of linking your accounts is that everything will be pulled in live. So your balances as well as your transactions. And you can link credit cards, bank accounts, 401ks, anything you want to, you can link into your FitBUX profile. To do so, you just click this button here. It's going to take you to a pop-up, and we link it with our partner called Plaid. You put in your username and passwords, and then they would show up down here in the list of your accounts. The way you can tell which ones are manual and which ones are linked is that if this was a linked account, for example, is this little icon right here would be sitting next to the name of the account. That's how you can tell if it's linked. Now, one caveat to be aware of when you do link accounts. First and foremost, not every company will allow you to link. Some 401k companies don't allow you to link. Some credit unions that are smaller don't allow you to link, just simply because they don't have the technology to do it. Okay. Other times, there's like different financial institutions, they'll update their websites. And when they do that, sometimes the links will be broken. And so you may have to relink your account. And so that way the data continues to pull into FitBUX. But those are the two ways you can update your accounts, both manually as well as linked. If you have any other questions, be sure to ask your FitBUX coach. We'll see you in the next tutorial.